Hi guys, this video will be about this new update in bulk generation of articles, which is using CSV. You can upload a CSV file here and you can download that from here. Let's get started. Suppose I want to do a site with 70 articles, but all these categories are different, right? The usual way would take a lot of time because I'll have to use these all titles and use that particular category name in this, and I'll have to do it for each category one at a time, right? This is quite tedious. And if you also check out the godlike mode in this source context, suppose if I want to use a different source context for each title, the CSV upload will now allow me to do it. For example, the relevance of Vedanta today. Now, AI can go haywire about it and it can write about anything, right? But if I mention like what you need to discuss is basically how Vedanta philosophy applies to modern life. And this will help you write specific articles using specific source context. And you can also use your own specific category, like right there itself in the sheet. So this will save you a lot of time. This is what I'm building right now to launch my own sites in bulk as well, and this will make it a lot easier than going through each and every category manually and stuff. Now in bulk generation, the normal mode, there are a limit of 50 article titles at a time, but in the CSV mode there is no such limit. So if you have a CSV file pre-built for like 1000 articles or even 10,000 articles, you can simply upload that CSV file here and it will do its job. You just need to make sure you have the credits available to process it. Now let's get started. I've downloaded the sample CSV file. I'll simply open it. Now when you check out the file, it should look like this. It has all the headers which is required. I already did the 4 articles here, which are now published on my site. This is how it looks like, all the AI images. Now let's go to a CSV file. First of all, let's just copy all the titles that we have in this field. Project name, I'll put it as Hindu philosophy. Language, English, US. Length, long. Tone of voice, third person. These fields have a specific format. You can go through the documentation here. So, for example, the English language is like this: length, short, medium, long. First person, second person, third person. These are the options available to you. So writing style, I'll go for the premium writing style one because we added a new update in this. It's very nice right now. Type of article, I'll go for informative. For example, the 6 schools of Astika Darshan, it mentions the number, right? So we can put it as listicle here. Understanding the 25 elements, again listicle. FAQs, yes. Image generation, yes. Godlike mode, yes. SERP location, US. Outline from competition, no. Key takeaways, yes. External links, no. Now, source context, again, we can simply copy paste that from our sheet. These are filled out as well. Make sure the length of the source context is less than 300 characters. WordPress push, yes, we are pushing it to WordPress. Site URL. Now, this will be the homepage URL of your site. hinduphilosophy.com, hinduphilosophy.com. Username. My username is just this. Fill this out later. Category ID is now category ID. So you can add category ID or you can simply put the names here. And if you have articles are in multiple categories, you can add those in a comma separated format. So for example, category 1, comma category 2. Now the WP categories are filled out as well. WP status, publish. I'll simply publish all the articles and then run the auto linking. It will create automatic internal links. WP custom status, NA. Now you can go to the docs here. If it doesn't apply, you can simply use NA, WP custom status, NA. Apply auto generate slugs. No, it's okay. Auto generate titles and slugs. It's fine. I don't need that. Combat push. I'm not pushing it through combat, so it's fine. Again, trigger ID, NA, if not required. This is our sheet, and I'll simply upload this now and click on generate articles. Now, if there's any issue, it will simply show it to you here. And if it works fine, you can check out this message file successfully processed. And to track what's happening, you can go to history and quick articles. Hindu philosophy, that's our project name. And these are pending right now. And we'll see these populated very soon. So this is how you can generate articles in bulk. Couple of them should have been processing. Okay, all these are processing right now. We should be able to see some articles very soon. I can simply hit refresh here, and I think there should be a couple of them generated. Yes, here we go. You can simply check out how they look like from here, clicking on the eye icon here. And great AI images, right? Now let's just check out our site. 12 articles are here. It's so fast, right? So my plan is make all these processes like very easy, 14 articles now, and I just want to launch more and new sites because it's working so well. And post that I'll simply run the auto linking stuff, which will create automatic internal links between all these articles. And yeah, create a topical map, figure out all the categories and stuff, create a CSV file to upload into auto blogging, and that's it. That's how fast it is now. Let me know if you have any questions. See you guys. Bye.